Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Experience Progress with me, and I'm right here with.
Casey, talk with Casey. Hi guys.
So Casey is my guy. Actually, I met Casey in my church, then became close pals, and right now I'm going to be teaching him how to trade forex trading as a beginner. Things you need to know in forex trading as a beginner. Probably filter out the noise so you don't get to search a lot of stuff online. So basic thing you need to know as a forex trader. So Casey, are you ready?
Nah, let's get it.
So do you have any idea what forex trading is?
Nah, basically that's first question I have for you. Okay, what exactly is forex trading?
Okay, basically, forex trading is just the full meaning of forex is foreign exchange.
Okay.
So you're actually trading against two currencies, just like you trading US dollar and the pounds. Do you get? So you're trading in between between two currencies, exchange rates. Do you get? Actually, you can actually trade naira also, but in the forex market, naira doesn't do anything. There's no any price action on it, so we can't usually trade that. So we trade just currency pairs. Then that's what you need to know what a forex market is. Then next one, I'm going to talking about how to trade the forex market. What should need to have to trade forex market. And first, you need your phone. What's your phone?
Yeah, I'm looking for.
Okay, first you need your phone. Second, you need your phone connected to the internet. With that, you could trade the forex market. Do you get?
Yeah.
So basically, in the forex market, all we trade is currency. Trading one currency against another. Then we're just buying and selling. Do you get? So we have just like this right now. Let me go to Euro USD. Probably just skip some part. I'll tell you what I'm actually trying to show you. So this is Euro USD. I told you about Euro USD. This is Euro USD.
Yeah.
Then this is pounds against US dollar. Do you get? So right now we're actually trading against these two currency pairs, and you can see this is the exchange rate as at now in the forex market.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So that's all we're trading. So how can you trade this market? First of all, you need a broker. And what is a broker? A broker allows you to trade the forex market.
Alright.
Because with your money, you can't actually just put money anywhere and trade the forex
You
market.
have to think about that before.
Yeah, do you get?
Yeah.
So you have to have a broker, and this broker helps you take trade into the forex market. Do you get? So they're like a middleman in the market, whereby you place a trade, they take the trade you place to the big banks.
Yeah.
Do you get? Because on a normal day, you can't just trade the forex market. Do you understand? So you need a broker, and two, you need what we call MetaTrader 5.
Alright.
So right now we're going to download the MetaTrader 5 to start trading. So what you're going to do right now, probably just download. Okay,
Yeah.
go to your app, searching MetaTrader 5. So this is the app. Actually, we have two MetaTrader, which are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So these two
why,
you can.
why are we using MetaTrader 5 right now?
This is the updated version of MetaTrader
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Do you get? So you can download that right now.
Alright.
So also, you also need what we call a trading view. Trading view, this is where we analyze charts in the market. Do you get?
Yeah.
So these are the things you need to know. Know what you're trading in the market, know where to trade in the market, and where to analyze the charts in the market.
So MetaTrader 5 is where you trade in the market.
Yeah, it's where you trade in the
And
market.
then
Where
the
you place trade
trading view.
is where you analyze the chart.
Okay.
Analyze the price between these two currency price.
Mm-hmm.
Do you get?
Yeah.
And remember, we have more than one currency. Do you get?
No, definitely.
We have euro, the pounds,
Yeah,
the JPY. Which is the Japanese yen.
of course.
Do you get? So we also have what we call sorry.
Hold on.
Just you can remember
It's a whole-
currency, different
yeah,
currency,
it's a whole-
their currency. Yeah, we can only trade them in the forex market. So probably we just have to wait for this to download, and while I show you the trading view. So this is the trading view. This is what a trading view looks like. So I know you might be confused, but these are candlesticks. It looks crazy,
Yeah,
but this is what we actually trade in the market. Do you get? This is what we actually trade in the market. And one thing you need to know about the broker. Let's go back to the broker. The broker offers us leverage. Remember I told you you can't just put your money there to the forex market and trade like that.
Yeah.
So the broker enables your small amount of money to become a large amount of money in the forex market to like trade. So this leverage are called like, you know what it means? Something as leverage,
Yeah.
like a buying power.
Yeah.
Do you get? So we have leverage like one. Let me write something down. One, we have 1:100 leverage. Two, we have 1:200 leverage. Sorry. 1:200. 1:50. Do you get?
Yeah.
So these are leverages. These are buying power. If we're talking about 100, if you're using the leverage of 1:100, this is 10,000 buying power in the market. So your small amount of money is equivalent to like 10,000 worth of money to like buy in the forex market, to like trade the forex market. I mean,
Oh.
do you understand?
Okay.
So you can't just put, like, if you put a $50 right now in the market, you need a leverage to trade that market.
Okay.
So the broker actually gives you that leverage to trade the forex market.
So if I'm leveraging on 1:100, I'm getting
$10,000
$10,000
leverage.
leverage.
Do you get?
Yeah, that's calm.
Do you understand right now?
Yeah,
So that's it. So have you downloaded?
Yeah. So.
Okay. Let's actually open the forex with trader 5. So first thing you see is this accept. So the Trader 5 gives you a demo account. What's a demo account? A demo account is an account, like, let's say a practice account.
Yeah, just an account you can flex.
Do you get?
Yeah.
Account you can flex and like trade the market. Do you get? So you can actually have like $100,000 account, whatever, just like practice in the forex market, but they are not real money.
Of course.
Do you get? So
Yeah.
that's it. So you can actually fill this information, the name. Remember I told you broker. Broker can actually offer you a demo account also.
Yeah.
But we're going to do that in the next market. Do you understand? To
Yeah.
like give you a demo account.
Alright.
And also the broker can also give you a real account.
True.
Do you understand? To trade the market. But you have to fund your account in the demo, in the excellence broker, to like trade the forex market.
For the demo.
No, not for the demo. To get a real account. Have a real account and also have a demo account.
Alright.
Do you understand?
So what we're working with now?
So we're going to create a demo account through a broker.
Okay.
Do you get? That's actually better. That's actually better. Alright. So let's do that right now in this place. So first of all, there are different kind of brokers. The broker I use is SNES broker. This is SNES. So I use SNES. SNES, I'm not actually promoting you guys, but still, I'm just going to use you guys.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to work with me, please click the link in my YouTube channel. Well, I don't have subscribers yet, but still, don't worry, we're going to work together. So this is what this is how it is. This is it. Like
Okay.
broker. So we have to like, where are we from? We're from Nigeria. You can put in your email or any random email. Do you have any email? Probably just type in your email and
Alright.
so probably just log it out later. But you can log in on your phone. Just like, do you get?
Oh, hold on.
Please don't show them your password. Probably I'll blow your password out. Okay. Alright. Let's go.
Get it.
Let's know. So you could see this right now. This is it. And one thing you need to know, on the broker account, you can actually trade inside the broker account. So they have their own charts in the broker account. You get? But I just use Trading View. Remember I told you about Trading
You
View?
mean
Where
a
we,
chat like a trading view.
yeah, just like Trading View. We can actually do that in this thing. Remember I told you on the broker you can actually have a demo account, a practice account, and a real account. So right now we're going to check out a demo account.
Alright.
So demo. So immediately we got $10,000. So how do we log in this account inside our MetaMask? Because why? in order to like
Do you
place a trade,
Do you mean MetaTrader 5?
MetaTrader 5. Oh, sorry, I'm making
Yeah.
a mistake. I don't know why I keep making a mistake.
Yeah.
So the MetaTrader 5, you need to like connect the account to our MetaTrader 5 to be seamless, like trade the forex market from our phone. Do you understand? So that's what we need to do. Just like check it out and probably get the details of. Wait, no, I don't forget to use this thing. I'll blow this place out too. Okay. Remember I told you the account leverage.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
It's only-
We can actually change this if we want, like the kind of leverage you want to like work with. The more leverage you're working with,
Mhm.
the more money your account can blow. Do you get?
Yeah.
So that's it. Let me. Oh shit! Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Please. I'm trying. I swear I've never used this on the laptop before. I'm trying. What the heck? I'm not topping up. Oh shit! I'm not topping up. I'm trying to like get my login. I'm trying to
I
get the
think
login.
Maybe here first.
Oh no. That they want me to like place a trade here. Do you get? It's here, but no, I don't want this. I want the login to the account. So I'm coming, please. This will take a little bit of time, but no. Oh, it's not showing. I think I should have done that in the phone. I should have done that in the phone.
Yeah, we can still get it though on the phone. So like running it back
Yeah,
and
do you get? They're not giving me like.
making another one for business.
Yeah. Try going on your phone, please. Go to extras on your phone.
While I scroll record.
No, just go to extras on your phone. Let me pause the video. Then I'll cut and join together.
You have to.
Yeah. I don't want it like too long. Yeah. Oh shit. So we have to like log in the login for the demo into your MetaTrader 5. So
Okay.
this is where we get the login. First of all, go to your MetaTrader 5. Then we have our server. So
Yeah.
every broker has a server. So you have to like copy out the server and the login and the password. So you alone can like set your password. You guys, so this is where we have to go to. Then search for what broker we're using. We're using XNES broker. First we go to XNES. This is XNES. So look for what XNES technology. Then what did it say here? MT5 trial 9.
Yeah.
So that's a server. This is a login. Then we go to XNES trial.
Trial 9.
We have to look for trial 9.
Yeah.
That's real 9. This
So
is
that's real.
trial 9. If it's a real account, you can use real 9, whatever they give you. And this is the login. 4361 429. I'm sorry, 4361 42792. So for the password, you can actually just set the password, the random password. Probably we'll just use TT5566. Oh, we need like an uppercase, so let me start again. TT trade at one special character. I just put out already. Sorry,
Except it doesn't have to be.
TT trade. Let me know this so trade 5.
Is a number. Okay.
Yeah. This is our password. So I'm going to do that right now. TT trade 55 at. So TT trade 55 at. When I sign in, we have an 11k account here. Can you see that right now?
Yeah.
So that's it.
Is
So
it,
now
is it being displayed here too?
yeah. So now
Okay.
you successfully linked your broker to your MetaTrader 5. Remember,
Right.
this is where we place the trade and where we see the foreign currencies.
Yeah.
Probably in the next episode, I'll tell you more about the currencies, and the candle formations. Then we'll move down to like what you need to start knowing in the forex market to like get knowledge in the forex market.
Alright.
So, guys, so these are currency pairs. We don't trade all currency pairs. These are currency pairs. This is a crypto. It is Ethereum against USD, BTC against USD. So now all we just need to do is cancel all this because we don't trade them. Put in currencies we trade. Probably right now it's Saturday, so we can't take trade on EUGU. Probably just show you how to place a trade in BTC USD because
Sunday.
the forex market open. One thing you need to know: the forex market open from Monday to Friday, just like the bank.
Yeah.
Forex, the bank also trade forex. Do you understand?
Real.
Do you get?
Yeah.
Then this is cryptocurrency trades 7 days a week. So we have the BTC right here. So we just have to go to chart, then click on BTC, and this is the chart. How do you place trade in the forex market? Well, first we have to know in the chart we have where you can see the amount in price.
Mm-hmm.
Just like what's the exchange price between USD and GP? You could say say $1. That's like USD against Naira now. We say like 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5.
You get? Now BTC against USD. BTC is 7,000 something right now. $73,000 right now.
Yeah.
You get? And this is what we call the instruments in trading. Instruments, then time frames. We're going to know that do all that in the next episode. We don't get confused and all.
Alright.
So how do you place a trade in the forex market? So you can place a trade by clicking any of these. So what we call buy and sell, just like shorting the market and buying the market. Do you understand?
I get what you mean.
Like, okay, right now we have a chart right now, and I'm predicting that okay, price is going to buy from here or keep selling. But you can't just decide like that until you analyze the market, know what structure is in the market, to know the direction of what market is going to.
So how do you know the direction of where the market is going?
Well, I'm not going to rush you right now. Probably in the next episode I'll tell you how to like know the market. But first you have to know how to place your first trade in the market. So right now, just place any trade by clicking any of this buy or sell.
By just clicking it all.
Yeah.
Alright. Buy.
Okay. To use this place, you have to like accept. This is like a quick entry into the market, like in case you don't want to go through the long journey of placing limits here. So you just have to like click here, then buy. Click buy. Now you can see right now we're inside the market right now. You understand? Guys, you can see he just took his first trade in the market. Yes, first trade in the market. So right now you can see you're on the loss. So you're either winning or losing. If you're against the market, you're losing. Actually,
hold on a bit. I'm in a loss right now.
Yeah. So now you're predicting the market to like buy from here.
Okay.
So actually the market is selling right now. That's why you're in a loss. So if the market goes up, then to show green. Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay. But it's not yet over. Like it's
not over yet.
It's not yet over.
Probably I think in the next episode we'll start going over like showing how to like place a stop loss and take profits.
But is there a time frame for it? Like
yes.
This one.
No, if you don't set a stop loss to this, you blow your money.
Crazy.
Yeah, you blow your money. It depends on what kind of lot size you're using. Right now you're using 0.01 lot size. We're going to go over to like lot size in the market in the next episode. Mm-hmm. For now, you just place your first trade in the market, guys. So on the next episode, we're going to like teach my beginner friend how to know the market and what kind of lot size to use in the market, what the lot size is, and how to trade, like fund your real money into the market. So stay tuned for this episode as a beginner, and you're gonna become profitable. See you guys in the next one.
Crazy, man. It's crazy work, bro.
Nice, showing green. So